Guys, welcome back. This is your boy the Amazing Kid coming back to you with a new video. Today the video topic is, as the title describes, is going to be what's the best editing software to use for a new content creator on YouTube or whatever platform you want to be on. So today I just kind of wanted to address what kind of worked for me. Like I said, this isn't the end all be all. This isn't the best of the best that everyone has to use or anything of that nature, but I feel like this is definitely a good starter software that's pretty easy and simple to use. Something that can kind of get you some good videos and good content out and available. So hopefully this can help you, especially yourself being a new content creator on YouTube and trying to casually grow. I feel like this is definitely something that's going to help me a lot. So first, just want to state that this is not a paid sponsorship from the editing software I'm going to mention. This is just general information I feel like can be beneficial to the rest of you guys, and hopefully it does help. And if you haven't already, make sure you definitely smash that like button. It would be great if we can get to a goal of 25 likes. That'd be amazing. Also, don't forget to hit that sub button and the notification so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be aware of it first. So right into the video. So what you're going to want to do is just go to the search, type in Wondershare Filmora. Once you go there, just make sure you find this one that just says official, because they have some knockoff ones up here for some reason. But just make sure you go to the one that says official to bring you to their lovely website. So you kind of go here, you see that they have 3 product options. They have Filmora 9, editing software that I am recommending. They have Filmora Pro, which has a little bit extra things, but it's definitely still a little bit more complicated and complex for people who are new into editing. And then Screen, which is for screen recording. Pretty much just go here to Filmora 9, click on that. It'll kind of just give you a little rundown of exactly what it is, kind of what it entails. The great thing is that you can get it pretty much completely free, or you can buy it, which is awesome. So kind of go here, you can hit buy now, and you can see that they have different plans. So these plans definitely kind of have their perks, and probably the biggest thing that will be different from these in the free version is this right here, the no watermark. So no watermark means that when you finish editing your video and you want to upload it, if you export it to YouTube, then it's going to have pretty much the Wondershare Filmora sign right over the top of the video. Be a hindrance to the video and can kind of be annoying, which is kind of their way of pretty much forcing you to have to pretty much buy it. But the good thing about this software is that, like I said, it's very simple to use. It's, I've never edited it before, and now I'm able to do so pretty easily, and it doesn't take too long, which is awesome. Also, in comparison to things such as Photoshop and some of these other bigger editing softwares that cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars, these are clearly manageable prices, and this is a lifetime of just $60, which is a great price, which is easy to see why it's the best seller. So like I said, you can go to any of those, or you can just go back and then just do a free download, and once you do that, it'll just download right to your PC or Mac. Then you'll have it and you'll be good to go. Here it is right here. Once you download it, then pretty much you're gonna click on that, open that up. Alright, so now that we got it loaded up, so it's gonna pretty much just take you to this menu right here. You can either start a new project or open an old project. Also have over here your project library, all your pretty much recent videos that you just recently edited. So pretty much just like I said, you just go in, hit new project, and it brings you to this page right here. So looks like there's definitely a lot of stuff going on, but in reality it's really not. So pretty much once you're at this media file, just simply go to import media files, and then whatever you want to import, you can pretty much just bring in from here. I'll just grab some random Fortnite clip, hit import, open, there's your clip, and then simply after that just hit the little plus arrow, match to media, and then bam. Now it just uploaded your entire Fortnite clip. So then from here, now you have the whole video up. So now I'll kind of go into a little bit of the editing. Like I said, very simple. You can kind of just scroll over with this little red arrow. It'll kind of bring you over certain parts of it. And pretty much, let's say, all right, let's see, did I get a kill here? Didn't. Oh, fell to my death. All right, let me go to when I got a kill. Let's say, all right, so right from here, I want to get a clip. Alright, so now this is like something that can kind of be tricky on some other softwares, but this is pretty simple. So now I'm pretty much at a point where I want to start my clip. So there's these nice little scissors icon right here that says split. Once you get to the exact spot with this red marker, just going to hit the split with the scissors. So now, as you can see with that little green line right here, these are two separate clips. So now what you're going to do is, alright, scroll through. Alright, now I just got a knock. So now let's say this is where I want to make just my clip. I'm going to hit the scissors again. So now everything else I don't want, just kind of click on, because as you can see, separate again. So you just want to click on that, it'll highlight green, and then you're just going to go to the trash bin, and bam. Now the rest of it's gone, and now you have one individual separate clip. More than likely you're going to want some type of music or something. You want to click on this audio tab. They already have a selection of songs that you can choose and download that they already have that are copyright free that you can use, which is awesome. But if you have something in particular that you want to get, then you can go to My Music, and similar to the media, just go to import media files, and then whatever you have in your songs, and click on that, import, then that'll be right here and available. Then let's say you want to add it, kind of click on that, and as you can see, it's added down here. Other things you have are you can make different titles like a credits and things of that nature, openers if you don't already have one to kind of explain what's going on, transitions that you can download as well, which is convenient, different effects, and then a simple elements page. So more or less that's pretty much how this software works. Like I said, it's very easy to use, and then once you kind of get everything situated, like alright, cool, I have my video set and ready to upload, then right here you have your little export. You're going to click on export, and then once you click on that, then either you can just export it to your C drive, or you can export it directly to YouTube itself. Have whatever you already want kind of situated here, and then just simply hit export. They'll render it and send it directly to your YouTube, and you'll be good to go. So like I said, this is definitely very simple, very easy to use. There's really nothing too difficult about it, and like I said, it's just something just that is good for beginners where there's not too much going on. You can easily just go in, throw some clips together, and kind of start making videos. Because where a lot of people mess up, they think, all right, I need all the best software, I need all the best video ideas before I can start creating content. But the only way you're going to get recognized, the only way you're going to grow is by just making videos, kind of getting your name out there and getting your content out there. So probably the most beneficial thing is get a software similar to this, or want to share Filmora 9 or Pro, whatever suits your boat and your financial capabilities, and then pretty much just go from there and start. But like I said, for starting out, this is literally all you need. There's nothing like really more sophisticated that you need to use starting out. Like I said, just kind of get out there, get something like this. It's not too expensive, that you can use, easy to use, and you can really start growing your channel and start getting all that very good content that you guys have in your brains, kind of get it out there to the world. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys coming and watching, and like I said in the beginning, if you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications. Like I said, any support is very helpful, and I appreciate y'all, and you'll have a wonderful day and a happy holiday.
So don't act like it, and please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick, cause I watch TV, I see how life is, and it's not easy, but still I'm right here.